What is the most important consideration when choosing a breathalyzer? Accuracy. To get a better understanding of accuracy, consider the simple analogy of a broken pipe in your home plumbing system. That broken pipe can either be patched or the pipe section replaced altogether. Replacement is clearly the superior solution, since a patch may just give way to leaks again. Recalibration, much like patching a broken pipe, is a flawed and time-consuming approach. The consumer is inconvenienced with downtime, as the breathalyzer must be shipped back to the manufacturer. Moreover, multiple recalibrations on the same sensor will continue to be less effective, as alcohol exposure permanently wears the sensor's function. AlcoMate's global patent on Prism technology allows you to enjoy two major exclusive benefits in the ownership of your breathalyzer: no mailback downtime and like-new long-term accuracy. Like replacing the broken pipe, it's as easy as swapping out the worn sensor with a new one in the comfort of your own home or business.